If I give you $86,400 right now and tell you to spend every single dollar before midnight, but if you waste even a penny, it will vanish permanently. There will be no rollover, there will be no savings, and there will be no do-overs. What would you do? You would probably spend it carefully, intentionally, maybe invest, maybe build something, maybe give it to someone you love. But here is the thing. You already get 86,400 every single day, not dollars, in seconds. That's how many seconds each of us is gifted every morning. At the end of the day, that balance resets and any unused seconds gone forever. The rich know this. That's why they don't just manage time, they buy it. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how successful people think about time, how they buy it, and how you can stop selling yours. Most people spend their time, most people spend their day spending time like it's a currency they will always have. Endless scrolling, useless multitasking, doing everything manually because I will save money. But you can always earn back money, you can never earn back time. The truly wealthy, not just financially but mentally, understand this better than anyone. They treat time like a limited asset. They don't hustle harder, they build smarter. And most importantly, they understand a concept most people completely ignore: leverage. When you are broke, you are forced to sell your time hour for dollar. But when you break out of survival mode, the real question becomes, how can I earn without being present for every single dollar? Wealthy people build leverage through people. They hire others to do low impact tasks, through systems they automate, through software they use tools like ClickUp, Notion, Payoneer, through content they build once and get paid forever. A freelancer working 12 hours a day can never earn as much as someone with three virtual assistants and a website selling digital products. Why? Because the second person owns their time, the first person rents it. So let me tell you something personal. When I started freelancing, I did everything myself: writing, editing, emails, invoicing, thumbnails, uploading. I was exhausted, busy, but always broke. Then I made two simple decisions. Number one, I invested in a task manager, ClickUp, and number two, I automated payments using Payoneer. Those two tools bought me back 3 hours a day. I used those 3 hours to create better content. That content made me money on repeat, and that's when I realized if you are always busy, you are probably doing something wrong. Here are 5 practical ways successful people buy back their time every single day. Number one, eliminate tasks that don't matter. They ask themselves, if I never did this again, would anything break? Number two, delegate before you are ready. They hire a virtual assistant for $4 per hour to do what takes them 5 hours to figure out. Number three, automate money flow. They use tools like Payoneer to send invoices, get paid, and withdraw without clicking 12 buttons. Number four, they use thinking time. They block 30 minutes per day just to think about strategy, not tasks. And number five, invest in speed. They pay for premium tools, courses. They pay for premium tools, courses, mentorship, not to look smart, but to get results faster. Their time is their obsession because they know you can always earn another dollar, but you cannot earn another minute. So let's do a simple exercise. You make $1,000 per month, you work 160 hours. That means your time is worth $6.25 per hour. So if you spend an hour doing something you could delegate for $3, you just lost money. Now imagine your goal is to make $5,000 per month. That's a $31.25 per hour. Now ask yourself, is what I am doing right now worth that? And number two, or am I stuck doing $5 tasks and wondering why I can't hit $5,000? The rich do this math automatically. You can start doing it today. Buying time is not just about productivity, it's about peace, focus, clarity. Every hour you reclaim is an hour you can spend with your kids, build your next business, read a powerful book, reset, rest, heal, and think. We live in a noisy world. The rich buy silence. The poor try to grind harder. But because but success is not in the grind. It's in leverage, focus, and rest. That's why they say you are either working on your dream or too tired from someone else's. Let's go back to where we started, 86,400 seconds. That's what you get each day. You can waste them, you can sell them, or you can use them to buy freedom. Here is my challenge. For the next 7 days, write down where your time goes, cut 1 hour of noise, use that 1 hour to build something. Learn, create, invest, and rest. Watch what happens. In 30 days, you would not recognize your life. I want you to remember this forever. Poor people sell time, rich people buy it. But rich is not about your bank balance, it's about your mindset. Today, you can choose to stop selling your most valuable asset for pennies, buy back your time, and build a life that pays you even when you sleep. If this video gave you clarity, hit subscribe, comment below. I protect my 86,400. Like this, if you will never waste time the same way again. And remember, it only takes 1 second to make a new decision. 1 second that could change your next million.